Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you PowerPoint new feature called AI powered image editing tool. And let us start by inserting an image on the slide. You can get this image from FreePic. I'm going to select this image. I'm going to go to picture format and then I'm going to select this option edit picture. This tab will pop out that will give you different options for your image. Erase, upscale, edit object, remove background, effects, text, crop. I'm going to select this option first. This will improve the resolution for your image. And now you can compare back and forth between the old and the new. And this looks very good, so I'm going to select this option, update. Now let's select this image again and go to edit picture. This time I'm going to select this option erase. I'm going to select this option object. And then I'm going to remove this plain divider line. Let's remove this. And let us see the end result by selecting this option erase. As you can see, this comes out very good. Or if you want to undo, you can select this option. Now I'm going to select this option, remove background. I'm going to undo this again and then I'm going to select the next option. This time I'm going to select this effect option. As you can see, there are several nice options that you can choose. I'm going to select the scattered effect. And you get the scattered effect right behind the car. You can also adjust the setting by selecting this option. And now you can increase or decrease the intensity and also the angle. You can also insert text by selecting this option. You can see there are many different options that you can choose. I'm going to select this option and then I'm going to edit the text. I'm going to reduce the font size. You can also change the font color by selecting this option. You can also select different fonts from here. Now I'm going to select this option. This will save and update your image. And that is how you use the AI powered image editing tool. I hope you all enjoyed the video. See you in the next video and thank you all for watching.